In this video, we will learn how to bisect an angle or construct the bisector of an angle using our compass. Of course, first we need an angle to bisect. So let's just make an angle. Let's say a 80-degree angle or an 80-degree angle. All right. We're going to draw one leg of the angle. It doesn't matter how long this line is, just make it long enough. And we're going to use our protractor to make an 80-degree angle. Let's say at this, where this is the vertex. So we're going to make the angle at this side of the line. Let's call it A. All right. So to construct the 80-degree angle, we of course have the starting line of the protractor on the line, right? So this is 0 here, so we go around to 80. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 degrees is right here. The dot there. Put the dot where the 80-degree point is, right? And then you're going to use your ruler to connect A to that dot to draw the line that completes the 80-degree angle. So this angle is 80 degrees. Remember, it's 80 degrees. Let me write 80 degrees here. And we're going to construct the bisector of this angle. Now remember, guys, we're a bisector. When we're bisecting something, we're going to divide it into two halves, right? So how do we do that? No, open how do we do that using our compasses? Open the compass to a reasonable width. Of course, it should not be longer than any of the legs that you have. This leg and this leg shouldn't be longer than any of them. All right, because you need to bisect them. Now, center the compass at A, because the vertex of the angle is A. So center the compass at the vertex, or stick it at the vertex. And you're going to make an arc to bisect the two lines, or to intersect, not bisect, to intersect the two legs. So there's an arc. You can make one big arc, or you can swing one intersection there, and then it come down and swing the other intersection. But it's okay to do it like that. So we have the two intersections there, right? Now, I'm going to do this without adjusting the compass. So we're going to center the compass now at one of the intersections. Let's do this one first. And swing an arc across the center of the angle in this manner shown here. All right. And then we're going to center the compass at the other intersection. No adjusting, remember that. And swing an arc just to intersect the last one that you made, like this. Okay, so there we have our intersection. Now, we're finished with the compass. Now, the line through A, through the vertex of the angle and this intersection, will be the bisector of the angle, or is the bisector of the angle. So that's how you construct the bisector of an angle. So again, when you're lining up the ruler, you use the ruler, to make the line, or to ensure that your pencil will go through the vertex A and the intersection that you just made, right? Not beside the intersection. We need it to go right through the intersection and through the vertex A, right? So this line is the bisector of your angle. Now, remember that the angle was an 80-degree angle. So if we measure it now, then one side of the angle should be 40 degrees. So let's measure and see. There we have it. This side here is 40. So that means this side is 40 and 40 to 8, that's 40. So this angle right here is 40 degrees. 40 degrees. So you have the bisector of that angle. That's how it is done.